Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Bolivar Express, destination Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Mike Johnson and Joe Robinson of Pine Log, Georgia have been working since January, rebuilding this red, white, and blue farm wagon for the bicentennial wagon train. The train has been crisscrossing the nation, adding wagons from each of the 50 states. Mike and Joe will have just one of the wagons from Georgia that will join the train and make an 800-mile, 84-day trip to Philadelphia for the 4th of July festivities.
This is a long story, but to make it short, we're just two young fellas not married and want to see a lot of country, and this is the best way we know of, and it's reasonably cheap. So it seems like an experience that we could talk about for a long time and tell our grandchildren about if we get married in a few years.
Seems like an awful slow way to see the country.
Best way I know how.
Really?
See God's country.
Refitting a wagon is work for anyone, but Mike and Joe had one extra handicap. They'd never fooled with wagons before. What did this wagon look like when you started?
It looked like it was ready for the junk factory. It was in bad shape. It was all rotted apart, and we've put a lot of new pieces on it and practically rebuilt it.
Just like the other members of the train, their wagon will be home for close to 3 months. They hope to cover about 20 miles per day, and that's a long time to stare at the back end of a horse. To be honest, things won't be too bad because Mike and Joe have an ace in the hole. Stereo tape in a wagon?
We are. We've got a battery tape player, then we're going to put 4 speakers in it, one in each corner of the canvas. And we're not going to be totally pioneer. I mean, it's going to be some things that we're going to make up on our own, and it's not going to be original by any means, but we're going to enjoy it.
The Bolivar Express, the wagon with something extra and a long way to go. So ready or not, here comes an Owensboro-style bicentennial red, white, and blue quadraphonic stereo prairie schooner. Destination Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, July 4th, 1976. In Pine Log, Georgia, I'm Andy Johnston.